Welcome. If you love discovering new ideas and inspiration on Pinterest, you'll want to make sure you never miss a suggested pin tailored just for you. Today, I'll show you how to enable Pinterest push notifications for suggested pins based on your activity, so you're always in the loop with the latest trends and recommendations. This quick and easy process will ensure that Pinterest keeps sending you the best content right to your device. First, grab your phone and open the Pinterest app. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your personalized settings. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping the profile icon. You'll find this at the bottom right corner of your screen. Next, look to the top of your profile page and tap on your profile picture. This will open up your account options and settings. From here, scroll down and find the section labeled Notification. Tap on it to enter your notification preferences. Inside the notification settings, you'll see different categories for the types of alerts you can receive. Look for the section called Pin Picks. Under Pin Picks, you'll find an option labeled Pins Picked for You. This is the feature that lets Pinterest send you push notifications about suggested pins, curated just for your interests. To make sure you get these recommendations, simply toggle on the push option next to Pins Picked for You. When the switch turns on, you're all set. Pinterest will now send you notifications whenever it finds pins that match your activity and interests. And that's it. You've just enabled push notifications for suggested pins on Pinterest. Now, you'll always be the first to know about fresh ideas and inspiration, perfectly matched to your tastes. If you ever want to adjust your notifications, just follow these steps again and customize them to fit your preferences. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on getting the most out of your favorite apps. See you in the next video.